How to hide Instagram notifications on lock screen. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide notifications from Instagram app on your lock screen. So firstly, open settings on your device. After scrolling down, come to this section. Here you will see an option called notifications. Click on the notifications option, and if you don't find this option, then go to the search bar on the top and search for notifications. Inside notifications, scroll down and look for the app Instagram. And now the interface of notification for Instagram app will be displayed. Here scroll down slightly. Here at the bottom, you will see a section called Lock Screen Appearance. Under that section, click on Show Previews. If you'd like to disable previews, then select the option Never. If you do this, then no notification updates for Instagram will be displayed on your lock screen. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.